Today we're going to go over how we can easily update the Glock sights without doing anything special. It's affordable. It's actually free if you have a marker, and we don't want to take the gun apart. You don't want to buy the new sights. You don't want to spend the money. You don't have the tools to take the rear sights out. This is a quick hack or a simple trick to be able to update your Glock sights without doing anything to the gun. So first, let's just double check. It's empty. Great. As we all know, the Glock comes with these squarish U bracket rear sights and a circular front sight that typically gets somewhat cut off when you line them up perfectly. Try to focus there. There we go. So by simply blacking out the rear sights, you'll notice that it gives the front sight a lot more contrast. So it makes it much easier for your eye to focus on that front sight when the back sight's not white anymore. You can also add a touch of color, a bright orange, red, something to add a little more contrast to the front sight, and that will make it pop even more. And you could easily see that from what it was to what it just became, that front sight pops a lot more. Try it yourself and see if it works for you.